Guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to contact Uber Eats support. Guys, there's actually 6 different ways, all right? So I'm going to show you all the ways. So one of the ways is calling them directly. Just dial 1-800-253-9377 on your phone. You can dial this, and this will lead you to a customer service agent. You can talk to them this way, okay? If you want to speak to a real person regarding Uber Eats issues, you can use this method, okay? Just talk to them, and remember that this call may be monitored and recorded for, reasons where they improve their services. Okay, basically they want to improve their services, so they may record the call. Now, option two is actually using the mobile app. Just tap on Uber Eats on your phone or tablet, and then you will be able to contact them through their chat function. Okay, they have a chat function. Just click on account here, and then click on help. Then just click on help with an order. Okay, so and then once you click on help with an order, guys, this will basically be underneath promotions. So this is the first topic underneath all topics header. Okay, and then once you do that, this will help you to contact Uber Eats directly. Okay, then just select an order. So you'll see a list of all your past orders. Just tap on the one you want help with. Okay, then click on here past orders. Tap on past orders. It will open up a conversation with Uber Eats support assistant, and you can select a list of possible issues here if your order has not arrived, or you can choose multiple issues. Just tap the issues. If you want to continue with this issue, it's okay, or you can submit it, or you can also add another issue. Okay, just explain your problem in details, and if you want to add photos, you can tap on the camera icon, and if you want to add additional information, you can just share it in the detail in the text box, and you just click on submit. This will send your issue to Uber Eats, and they will contact you either within the app itself or via a text message that will redirect you to the app. Okay, so you can view your status by tapping on account, help, and then view all messages. The third method, guys, is you actually use a Twitter. Okay, log into Twitter, and then you just do this. You place Uber Eats. You place this at Uber underscore support in the tweet field. Okay, do that, and then you can address any concerns or questions to them. Okay, just tweet at them, and they will reply to you. Usually, look, guys, since this is the most public way of contacting them, you should only tweet about questions about general issues, not personal account or payment plans. You don't want to start sending your personal things in tweets where everyone else can see. Do not do that, guys. Okay, and just wait for their response after you're done tweeting. Usually, they will reply to you as soon as possible. Okay, now next, guys, is actually using the help page, right? Just go to this Uber Eats website in the web browser and just log in first, okay, guys? And then what you want to do, guys, is click on one of the help options, okay? So you can choose different options like help with an order, accounts and payments, membership and loyalty. There's delivery and pickup basics. You can choose between many different options. Right, then there you're gonna have to follow the help articles. You can just click on one of these articles and see if that solves your problem. And if you're a driver, if you want to get help, you just go and call Uber Eats support. You just open the Uber Eats driver app and tap account, and then just tap help in the top right corner here, and then just scroll down and just tap on call us to contact a customer service, and just you can also support them. Okay, you can just email them on support inbox. Okay, just email them, guys, and tap send. Okay, those are the 6 ways, guys. If this video helps, guys, make